We got the roof sheeting going on. Roof sheeting is one of the most important parts in the build. This is where the house goes from being open to being protected. This is where we keep all the elements out. After this point right here, we'll go ahead and sheet the roof, and then we'll hand it over to the roofers. All right, we're installing Tyvek right now. So what's the purpose of Tyvek? Tyvek's purpose is to protect the sheeting on the house. That's what it does. It's a moisture barrier, so it doesn't get trapped in between your siding and your sheeting. That's why we put this called Tyvek. Now we started the porches. The porches we just completed. One's a 4x9 in the front. The back we got a 10x16. We'll take you around and check it out. We just about finished up all the Tyvecking. So from here, we're about to start the Hardie. We're on day 15. Yesterday, as y'all know, we built out two porches, one a 10x16 and the other front porch was a 4x9. And today we'll start installing the Hardie.